Okay, so let's quickly see how to apply a filter in Jamovi. So many a time it so happens in our data set there are two groups. Like in this data set there are two groups, male and female, and we want to analyze the data only for males or only for females. And in the same way, in many like many datas we find that there are group A, group B, group C, and we want to apply only a single group at a time. So in that case it becomes necessary to apply a filter. So let's see how to apply it here in the Jamovi on this gender or sex variable. So I'll just click it here on the filters, and I will just write it here equals to the variable which I want to apply filter for is sex. So I'll write it correctly the way it is written here in the dataset without making sure of the spelling mistakes. So I want to say that let's say I want to select only the males. So I will click sex. I will give double equals to, and in the double inverted comma I will select male, and I will close this double inverted comma. So you can see that only males have been selected at the time, and they have like the filter has turned off the female data. And next time when I want to include both, I will just have to inactivate this filter, and we can see both the males and females have been again selected. In the same way you can activate the filter again. So this is as simple as that for applying a filter in Jamovi.